So thanks for visiting my channel again. This one is a late review. This kind of brand, this Canic, is released I think last year, almost a year now. The MSRP, it's about less than $1,000. It depends where you get it. So what store, so online. So it depends on the price. So it playing that kind of price. So let's open it. It's a 9mm pistol, and everything on this kind of very nice gun from Turkey. They make everything good, even the case. You're not gonna see that kind of case like this. Very thick. There's a name brand on the back, and all the information is here. And this is the first time I see this kind of case. You can just push it here to open, push it in the top. That's a very nice design there. So when you open it, it says there TTI Combat, and there's some wordings there, and it says Taron Butler, sincerely, something like that, and they sign on it. First you can see is this kind of insert. It says there Canic, Superior Firearms. So let's check this one inside. Put this on the side. It's a manual, colored, a different design color, and this one is disassembly if you want to do it by yourself. And this is the Canic toolbox and content. And underneath, there's a lot of steel parts there. It's usable for cleaning. I'm just gonna show you that later. And here's the magazine. This one, it's 18 rounds, plus 1 in the chamber, 19. They have some extension there. And this one is a tools. Just gonna show you this one really quick. So make it quick, and let's open it so that I show you what's inside. So it's a kind of hex there, and maybe the screw is the one used for the plates. If you want to put some red dot there or green dot, so that's good too. And this one, it's hex too. And there's different sizes that you can change for your grip. You want to make it small, you want to make it bigger. If you have a bigger hand, you can remove that one and change whatever you prefer. And so there's no numbering there, so it's up to you. So find out what kind of red dot you want. It depends to the brand. So this one is the third plate. So they give you the all that you want. This one is all mold. So if you want to add up, you can just remove this one and put the stuff that you need there. Very nice. And there's another opening here if you want to get another magazine. It's pre-cut. So just gonna show this one later, just the last one. Just access the one in the bottom. They give you like gold plated, I don't know if this one is a medallion. So you can open it. They have a very good case. Canic, it's rock. And this one is for cleaning too. Rad with I think brass finish, and very nice tip too, so that avoid to scratch your barrel. So that's the part there. Put it back. And a plastic cleaner too, rod. It's not gonna hurt your barrel because it's plastic. And so, some kind of tools. Very thin tip. So I think you can use this one for the tiny screw. I tell you. And this holster, it perfectly fit to here. Even though still have tag, you can try it. And very tight. It's not gonna fall when you in your waist. So remove it again. Some for the mole. And so they give you a lock. So for safety too. For the trigger. So child safety. And this one, it's a loader, ammo loader. So let's see how this one is used. Like this. This one is useful too. And they give you extra coil spring for the recoil. Let's look at it. Pull this one out. So right there. So that's kind of a backup. So that's why this one is pricey. They give you everything compared to the other brand. They give some time to do the case and everything. All the good setup there. It's a good part. So I think no more underneath. So let's check it. Maybe they have some more there. No more. It's just the. So it's just the base. So no more accessories there. So now the final firearm. This one is a Canik TTI Combat 9x19. So use 9mm and maybe 19 rounds total. That's the one it says there. And this one is some instruction there. And we're gonna find the makers. It's right there. Give you a close-up look. Hopefully camera catch it. Made in Turkey. They have some orange safety there too, so that you cannot fire it accidentally. Just want to make sure clear. There's no any ammo there, for only unboxing purposes. And let's compare to the Canik Mete. We do side to side. This one, the Mete, it's a little bit short, maybe a half inch. They're the same in height. They're the same in the magwell too, but different on trigger. And all the information is on this strap, paper strap, and it says they're new. They have some plastic hanging there that it says quality Canik. This one is from quality control. Before they go out to the manufacturer, they make sure that this one is, there's no any problem. Everything they made it perfect. And this one is the, if you want to change the plate, so accessible there. Just remove that one and then put the, I think 3 kinds of plate there, so you can just check whatever red or green that you want. But for me, I'm just gonna keep this way. So for quick combat use, so I'm not gonna need that green dot. So I just gonna show you a close-up look. Turn around. There's a canic there. Canic there in the grip. And they have left and right slide release. Texturing there for rest your finger. It's a nice grip. It's not gonna mark to your hand. I have a very medium size hand or palm. It's really good fit to me. So let's try this one, how this one is light when you pull out the trigger. This one is very simple unboxing now, just quick, so that I show you what's the parts when you try to get it. So drop the magazine and slide it. And then let's see how light is the when you trigger it, bang it. There's a very short take-off and pull. It's very light trigger. That's the one you pay for. That's why you pay that amount. And you can put on those cuts, you can put your accessories there, lights, what do you want to put it. This one is all upgrade, so I think you don't need to add up things there. The twisted barrels there, I show you. Nice serration there, not too aggressive, but you can grab easily if you slide the lock it there, drop it. And I think that be it. So this one is only short video, so hopefully you like it. Stay safe. I'm out. Peace. God bless.